The Buffalo Sabres traded their sticks for hard hats this week, as the team made a special visit to the construction site of the new Highmark Stadium in Orchard Park. Wearing safety vests and helmets, the players walked through the massive structure that will soon become the future home of the Buffalo Bills. From the steel framework to the rising seating bowl, progress on the $1.7 billion project is moving forward at an impressive pace. For the Sabres, it was a chance to see firsthand how this state-of-the-art stadium will transform the fan experience in Western New York. From wider concourses and enhanced amenities to improved sightlines and modern hospitality areas, the new Highmark Stadium is designed to elevate game day for every supporter. The visit highlighted more than just football. It showcased the unity of Buffalo's sports community. Hockey and football, two pillars of the city's identity, coming together in celebration of a shared future. As construction continues, anticipation builds. Soon, the roar of the crowd will echo through this brand new venue, fueling unforgettable moments for fans across generations. For now, the Sabres left the hard hats behind, but their excitement for what's to come is clear. The future of Buffalo sports is rising right here in Orchard Park.